Hi, my name is Justina. I'm the founder and main innovator here at Practice Test Academy. I would like to personally welcome you to our community. At PTA, throughout the last few years, we've listened to what you've said, what you need in order to become more confident and get exam ready. That is why we've created this interactive online CIMA E3 course, so strategic management, so that you can achieve your results faster.
Our online complete course is designed to offer CIMA students the structure, flexibility and support they need to pass their strategic level exams at a fraction of the price that other well-established institutions would charge. We even use the same tutors to make sure we offer you the best possible quality. Everyone wants something different from their tuition provider. Jack is working full-time and has a very limited amount of time. He wants to be efficient in his studies, watch engaging but to the point videos so he can stay motivated throughout his studies. Jane prefers to study on the go, via her phone. She needs good and condensed study notes. Ben learns best by doing, by practicing questions after every chapter, every part, and then mixed mock simulations. 600 revision questions is just what he requires to boost his confidence.
E3 is the lead paper at strategic level. E3 is all about where we want to be as a business and how we're going to get there. So essentially the structure of the course is optimistic. It's about what a business can do to grow and to flourish. And it's split into three main parts really. Where do we want to be? Where are we now? Understanding where we are now is a good starting point for ending up at where we want to be. And where we are now, we can think of the outside world, the environment, the competition and so on, and the inside world, internal analysis, our strengths and weaknesses. So we've got where we want to be, where we are now, and then how we're going to get there ultimately is our business strategy. In this chapter, we're looking at the link between critical success factors and those things that we therefore choose to measure to help us understand our performance in relation to those critical success factors, also known as KPIs. In order for a business to succeed, once we've identified those areas that it's vitally important to get right in order to succeed, we then should be measuring how well we're doing in those areas. So performance measurement should be driven by critical success factors. Ultimately. Sadly, lots of businesses don't do that. Out of habit, they tend to look at financial performance measures, net profit margin, return on capital employed and things like that. Which, although shareholders want to make money quite often, it doesn't help them make more money by measuring how much money they've made.
So if you are still watching this video, that means that you understand right now how this course can facilitate your E3 exam preparation. Once again, you're going to get access to all the online videos done by one of the best CIMA tutors out there. You're going to get PDFs, you're going to have access to our 500 questions database. On top of that, we've increased that by adding additional 100 plus questions. You're also going to get access to our online community that is going to support you all the way. If you would like to start this exciting CIMA journey with us, click the button below, sign up, or sign up for some free lectures. It's up to you. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Bye!